DIY sugar detox shampoo. If your hair is itching you or is full of build up, no matter how you wash it, it's not going. Today, I am showing a secret sugar detox shampoo that melt away, unlock follicles, boosting hair growth and leaving your hair or your scalp feel breathe new. So stay tuned with me. I'm putting 4 tablespoons of sugar. You can use 4 tablespoons, you can use 2 tablespoons or 1 tablespoon. It depends on the quantity that you want to make this detox shampoo. So please, so guys, now I put 4 tablespoons of sugar inside, and also I'm going to add my regularly shampoo. You can add any shampoo of your choice. So far as the shampoo is just shampoo, use and add inside, because you are going to use to make with the sugar, so it doesn't matter what type of shampoo that you have. Okay, because this thing, if your hair feel like dull or is heavy, your scalp is not clean, even after shampooing your hair, it's still having some problem. This sugar detox shampoo is exactly what your hair need, because it's very affordable, one, and it's naturally, and it's safe for even children and adults and children. Both of you can use for yourself, you can use for your children. It's going, it's going good for everyone who have build up, and try to detox your hair at least once in a month. You need to detox your hair if you are looking for a way to grow your hair, right? So now, after put my sugar 4 tablespoons, I added my shampoo inside. So the shampoo, now I'm just mixing it. So the most important part right now, I'm going to add my infusing oil. That infusing oil to help to keep it more, to keep the moisture into the scalp also after washing it. But this part, if you don't have infusing oil, no matter what type of oil that you have your house, if you have a aloe vera oil, or you have grapeseed oil, or you have lavender oil, or jasmine oil, mustard seed oil, any which type, avocado oil, coconut oil, which type of oil that you have in your hand, you can add that one inside. Maybe you can add 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons. You yourself will clarify how many tablespoons. You will see your shampoo whether you need to put 2 or 1, so that time you add inside. So after that, I added cold press my castor oil inside. That castor oil is helping the hair to keep more strong. That is why I added it inside. So the best way to use this thing, try to apply it into your scalp, make it gentle, scrub it gentle. When I say scrub it, massage your hair gentle. Okay, massaging your hair gentle while you are using it, because the build up or the itchiness, the build up that you have, the dull skin that you are having, the dull scalp that you are having, you need to freeze to remove everything. So now guys, I mix those things and I put it aside. So after putting it aside, then one thing also I'm going to add inside of this video. So if you watch it up to this point, I know you will see what I'm going to apply. That one is for benefit, is for bonus for those who watch it up to this point. So now, after this thing, the most important part also, because when you are making detox to your hair, your scalp, it's good for you to do what, to always apply deep conditioner into your hair. So that's why I said this thing is for bonus for those who watch this video to this point. New people will benefit this. Those who did not watch it up to this point, you may not see this part. So I put my usually regularly deep conditioner to my bowl. I added honey inside. That one, honey, if you have honey in your house, add honey. If you don't have honey and you have glycerin, add glycerin inside. Okay, because this part is very, very important. So after that also, I'm adding my castor oil inside. That one is helping to thicker your hair. While your hair is growing with thicker hair, so that's why I'm adding it. That one also, if you have the same one, no problem. If you have any essential oil, you need more fragrance, you can add maybe essential oils also inside. So after that, I'm going to add my infusion oil. This oil, if you want to see how I make it, please check my channel. You will see the video, my infusion oils. You can just watch because I have a lot of infusion oil, you know, the one that you think that it's okay for you to apply, make it, you can use that one to make. But before you make infuse any oil, always try to know your hair type so that it will help you, for you to know the type of oil that you are going to use to infuse oil for your scalp or for your hair. So now after everything, I start to mix everything. I'm going to pour it inside of this container. The last time I just used oil inside with glycerin. You can see the color even was still like white. No, just use normal, it was aloe vera oil I used and glycerin to mix it and apply for my daughter. So it did not finish, and I just added it to this because this week I'm going to open my daughter hair and my hair also. Actually, I'm already opening it. We all have to do the treatment. My daughter and I, we are all going to do the treatment, so it needs to be a little bit many. So after that, I continue to mix it. So you have to mix it to get a smoothed paste. And also the best way to use this, and after you make detox for your scalp, you detoxify your scalp. So after that, the next thing, this thing, when you detoxify your scalp, you have to put, it's must for you to put deep conditioning into your hair. So you apply this one after washing your shampoo. You apply this, cover your shower cap or rubber bag for 15 to 20 minutes and go back and rinse it with water and thank me later. Sugar is very good for using to make detox for your scalp because it will help you. It's having acid. That acid can help you to, for dead skin or build up. If you have the build up in your scalp or your scalp is itching you, it will help you to remove everything from your scalp. Sugar also is perfect for dead dry scalp. If you have dry scalp and you are using sugar, it will help you to come out of those dry scalp. You will start getting healthy shining scalp. It's control living in also. You know, sugar is very good. So after the sugar that I added, I told you guys, as you guys see how I added that infusing oil, it's also moisturizing, preventing scalp from dryness, out of building. If you have the same story like blow up, you know, those things. Also how to use it while you are using it. You don't need to use over you to make it overuse anything that you are using, because maybe you are using hair gel, you are using hair butters, hair oils. You know, you have to know how you can do it to maintain it very small without making too much to cause your hair with blow up. So now I finish everything, I pack everything and put inside here. I'm going to store it and wash my daughter hair. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe if you love natural hair and skin care. Okay, I love you all.